I now want to shift focus to the other big story we're tracking here. Maharashtra Health Minister Rajesh Tope has said that film star Salman Khan may be roped in, is likely to be roped in to help fight fear-mongering and vaccine hesitancy in Maharashtra. He subtly indicated that in certain pockets in Maharashtra, help of Maulvis and religious preachers is also being taken. Though he did clarify that this drive is not Muslim-centric or minority-centric, but he did concede that there are certain talukas, certain pockets in Maharashtra where pace of vaccination is slower than others, and this is impacting the overall effort to vaccinate all those who are eligible as part of the Kavach Kundal initiative.
हम सभी जानते हैं कि पिछले 1.5 वर्ष से पूरी दुनिया में कोरोना वायरस ने कोहरा मचा रखा है। एक के बाद एक कोरोना की लहर आ रही है।
बजरंगी भाईजान टू द रेस्क्यू।
एक बात साबित हो गई है कि कोरोना को रोकने के लिए वैक्सीन ही सबसे असरदार हथियार है।
Chulbul Pandey roped in to sort out rumor mongering, fueling vaccine hesitancy.
जहां एक और सरकार पूरे देश को जल्द से जल्द वैक्सीन दिलाने के लिए हर संभव कोशिश कर रही है, और दूसरी ओर वैक्सीन को लेकर कुछ अफवाहें और गलत बातें भी फैलाई जा रही हैं, जिससे लोगों के मन में वैक्सीन को लेकर आशंका पैदा हो रही है। सबसे पहले मैं लोगों से अपील करना चाहता हूं कि कोरोना वैक्सीन को लेकर गलत बातें ना फैलाएं। वैक्सीन लगाकर आप अपने आप को ही नहीं बल्कि आपके परिवार, समाज और देश को भी सुरक्षित रखने में योगदान दे रहे हो।
Maharashtra government has roped in superstar Salman Khan to fight vaccine hesitancy in some pockets of Maharashtra. The state health minister Rajesh Tope on Wednesday told journalists about the strategy to deal with vaccine hesitancy in certain minority-dominated talukas and pockets in Maharashtra.
अगर कोई मुस्लिम समाज या अल्पसंख्यक समाज के बारे में किसी को समझाने की ज़रूरत पड़ती तो वहाँ पर भी हम मौलवी को बोल के उनका वीडियो लेके भी समझा रहे हैं। हर जहाँ पर मुस्लिम बहुल तालुका या ज़िला है वहाँ पर भी हम इस तरह का प्रयोग कर रहे हैं।
The government is quick to point out that their vaccination drive has been extremely successful with an 80% success rate. However, government does concede there is a problem in some areas, and an effort is on to talk to Maulvis and religious preachers to help combat rumor and fear mongering.
जब भी वैक्सीन हुआ तभी मुस्लिम धर्म का कुछ ना कुछ चालू था, इसलिए थोड़ा सा रुका हुआ है, लेकिन मुझे लगता है हमारे जो मुस्लिम भाई बहनें हैं वो लेंगे, और जैसे सलमान खान है बाकी लोग हैं वो आगे आके उनको और प्रोत्साहित करें।
The BJP has, however, raised the red flag over roping in Salman Khan to fight vaccine hesitancy, focused only on select pockets in the state.
हमारा सवाल कांग्रेस दल और महाराष्ट्र सरकार की मंशा पर है। अब देश के अन्य प्रांतों में होने जा रहे विधानसभा चुनाव, क्या उसे ध्यान में रखकर पुनः एक बार किसी धर्म के तुष्टीकरण के नाम पर क्या उस हेतु सलमान खान को इस कार्यक्रम में जोड़ रहे हैं?
Maharashtra government insists Salman Khan is a hero not just for minorities but for the country, and has been roped in not to talk only to any one community.
सेलिब्रिटीज़ है उनका भी वीडियो, जैसा कि सलमान भाई का भी वीडियो हमने किया है, और वीडियो के माध्यम से उन्होंने बहुत अच्छी तरह से अपील की है। ये अपील कोई सिर्फ एक समाज के लिए नहीं है, ये सभी समाजों के लिए और सभी भारत देश के सभी लोगों के लिए है, क्योंकि उनकी फैन फॉलोइंग कोई एक आधे समाज की लोगों के लिए नहीं है, सभी लोगों के लिए है। तो उनका वीडियो का भी हम इस्तेमाल जरूर करेंगे।
इस तरह के बयान ये दर्शाते हैं कि
The issue resonated even in Bihar, where RJD leader Manoj Jha insisted it's wrong to link vaccine hesitancy to any religion or community.
इसको किसी समुदाय विशेष को केंद्रित करके हम बहुत बड़ा नुकसान कर रहे हैं। हमने कोरोना की पहली लहर में पूरा विमर्श तबलीगी जमात में रख दिया था। क्या हुआ बाद में? हमें कोशिश ये करनी चाहिए कि वैक्सीन हेसिटेंसी जहां भी हो, किसी भी समूह में हो, समुदाय में हो, उसको वैज्ञानिक तरीकों से उसका निदान ढूंढा जाए।
Medical experts concede even if a small section remains unvaccinated, the entire drive could nosedive derailing the entire effort to vaccinate all eligible people. Bureau Report, India Today. And joining me now on India First is Shaina ANC, BJP leader and spokesperson. Atikur Rahman is an Islamic scholar, and Dr. Gautam Bhansali is a consultant physician at the Bombay Hospital. Shaina ANC, why does the BJP smell a rat in Salman Khan being roped in for this drive?
Firstly, I think we're all wary about the possibility of a third wave of a viral infection. And in that respect, experts also have said that the pandemic has a 7-month cycle. And due to large-scale vaccination, the next wave would not probably be that severe. But we do know that COVID safety protocol and getting vaccinated is a must. Now, on Tuesday, when you had the Maharashtra cases reported at 886 COVID cases that had affected 34 families, obviously the tally in the state and the death toll and the health department is also worried. And the state government does realize that on Monday itself, you had about 19 deaths. So if they choose to rope in Salman Khan, I think it's a welcome gesture. And why just for Muslims? For anybody who has not been vaccinated, whether it's film stars or religious leaders, they must be brought in.
Sure.
But if you explain scientific reasons, Gaurav, as to what are the repercussions if somebody is not vaccinated and how it can be an impediment to all those who are, that would be the better approach. And that is our only limited point.
No,
the health
but
department's data
Ram
shows
Kadam, your party leader, says that this is to influence voter outcome in states that are going to polls. Atikur Rahman, why is there this fear that this could be another attempt to target the minorities when it comes to COVID?
Well, Gaurav, to be true, I do not, take this as a, targeting of any of the communities. Ram Kadam is a problematic person since, years I have known him. Now, Shaina ji is very much clarifying herself that there is no stereotyping of any community towards, even getting Salman Khan in, because scientific, the data and scientific explanations towards the hesitancy is important. Ram Kadam, like people, they can create any kind of, problems with the Maharashtra government because they are having all the directions from the central government that anything.
Sir, but the fact remains, it's the Maharashtra government that says that there are certain pockets, minority-dominated pockets, where vaccination drive is slow. So you may choose to blame Ram Kadam, but why not look at those who may be encouraging this vaccine hesitancy or those who may be indulging in rumor mongering? Dr. Bhansali, is there merit in the minister saying certain pockets in talukas and in Maharashtra, they are holding back the entire Kavach Kundal scheme to vaccinate all those who are eligible? And this is not just because of vaccine hesitancy, it could also be due to fear mongering, sir.
Yes, Gaurav, this is definitely there is some fear factor among some societies, some people, that they have some sort of vaccine hesitancy. I personally myself have visited so many places for this vaccine hesitancy sort of problem, and especially we have seen in the slum area there people have some sort of fear that they may get some sort of heart attack or some clot in the brain, they may have paralysis. That kind of hesitancy is there. That's why we hold a special drive with the school children who in different slum pockets, especially in Mumbai, and we have seen that there was some hesitancy. Then school children did some emotional appeal to the people who were having a hesitancy, and then they came forward and they did the vaccination. That kind of hesitancy is definitely there in some pockets of Maharashtra. Till now, we have vaccinated 80% eligible population of Maharashtra.
But the remaining 20, if not vaccinated quickly, could bring down the gains that have been made so far. And Atikur Rahman.
Yes, Gaurav, because we should not be fearful, but we should be careful. We should be careful because third wave may come in the month of February or March, and we should be protected by vaccination.
Even earlier, you're absolutely right, sir. Atikur Rahman, let me quote to you what Rajesh Tope said. PTI has quoted Rajesh Tope as saying, there is still some hesitancy in Muslim-dominated areas. We have decided to use Salman Khan and religious leaders like Maulvis to convince the Muslim community to take the vaccine, or words to that effect?
Well, I do not agree with the state health minister. Here in, the Dr. Gautam himself is saying that it
Dr.
is,
Bhansali,
more
yes.
than religious, it is the slum pockets. So the academic factor comes in, the more uneducated people, they are having some doubts, and the medical fraternity is very much within its ambit. They can explain to them. Dharavi is a case in point, Gaurav. You have, studied the Dharavi factor, wherein despite having a slum, the Muslim doctors of that area, they have convinced the people, and Dharavi has been a best example in the entire Asian continent.
Okay.
So here in religion
China
does
NC,
not come
okay.
more than education of the people.
Fair enough, and that's a fair point, sir. Shaina NC, is the BJP alleging the vaccine hesitancy or fear-mongering is more in a particular community? RJD MP Manoj Jha says even members of parliament have displayed vaccine hesitancy, and it's wrong to link it only to Muslims like what it was done with the Tablighi Jamaat initially, ma'am.
So initially, I think there was a lot of hesitancy. Even if you hear Rahul Gandhi's own statements, it's worrisome, questioning the efficacy of vaccines, questioning the reasons that vaccines need to be administered. But the Honorable Prime Minister, the Health Minister have done a phenomenal job. If you take a case and study of even Maharashtra, let's please give credit where it's due. The Health Department's data showed that there were 7 districts and 7, civic bodies that did not even report a case of COVID-19 in the last 24 hours. But unfortunately, in Mumbai, the highest cases with 213 infections, followed by Pune with 96 cases.
Okay.
So I think we need to be cautious. If it means getting role models, be it Salman Khan, Sachin Tendulkar, whoever, to explain to certain communities and people who are hesitant that there is a scientific reasoning to it,
Sure.
we welcome it. But to play appeasement politics is unfortunate. And to say
But
that,
ma'am, how is this appeasement politics?
If you are even saying it is one community only, I think that itself is a disservice. Let's please understand that anybody who is not vaccinated is in essence a threat to all those who have been vaccinated.
Okay.
So give scientific logic and reason,
Sure.
even if you're using role models.
Atikur Rahman, why should this be then seen as an attempt, as some may argue, to other the Muslims instead of educating those who are displaying either vaccine hesitancy or ignorance and falling victim to rumors, sir?
No, Gaurav, in fact, I do not understand. Shaina ji, if she is saying that this is a part of appeasement, this can backfire on the part of the health minister. If he is saying that the Muslims are, more prone for the hesitancy part, I can show you the wards in C ward, B ward, which are more densely populated by the Muslim population. They have in fact have a tie-up they have done with the Wokhart Hospital, wherein the entire areas and all the buildings they have been vaccinated by such drives.
In fact, that's what the effort should be. I mean, there should be no religion. Vaccinate all those who are eligible, Dr. Bhansali. In your appreciation, is there an attempt to either target or vilify Muslims, or, sir, is there a genuine concern being raised to help remove vaccine hesitancy and vaccinate all, remove this rumor mongering and fear mongering? Dr. Bhansali.
No, Gaurav, there is definitely some sort of vaccine hesitancy is there. Earlier, yes, there was a huge vaccine hesitancy. Now, after that, so many people came in, school children came forward. After that, vaccine hesitancy is almost like a nil sort of. And whatever video is shown by Salman Khan, it was made for BMC 3 months ago.
Yes.
It's not a new video at all. But that time, there was definitely vaccine hesitancy, and so many Bollywood celebrity, doctors, and so many influential people came forward and they appealed to the society.
No, but the health minister and the mayor of Mumbai are talking about it today, sir. The problem is now.
Yes.
It wasn't just 3 months ago.
Yeah,
The problem is now.
Yes, Gaurav, problem is now because we want to achieve that 100% people should be vaccinated. We wanted that third wave, whether if it come or not, or whether number of waves may come or may not come,
Okay.
we should be fully protected.
Oh,
People should
absolutely.
not get
80%
infection.
vaccinated with at least 1 dose in Mumbai. All of them with at least a dose. The aim is to vaccinate as many as are eligible to ensure that 100% vaccination takes place. To all my guests, many thanks for joining me. I've run out of time on this part of the show. I need to slip into a quick break here. Business Today with Udayan Mukherjee comes up next.